Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find rare timbers in Heartopia for the winter frost season, week 1. So there is a task that you need to complete. It says collect 3 rare timbers. You are going to go to this area. Here, I kind of show it to you guys in a minute. Actually, I just drive there and there will be a super big tree with a really thick trunk. I'll skip to the part where I found it because this is going to take forever. Okay, so this is where it is, right dead on that mark on the map, and you're just going to harvest it. This is what the tree looks like. But yeah, that's how you can collect the rare timber in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!